Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Raquel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this simple everyday glam look. As you can see, I already started off with my eyebrows done, and I'm going to be starting with skincare. My skin is a little bit more on the dry side right now, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my fresh kombucha essence. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Tatcha Violet C brightening serum and go ahead and rub that into my skin. After that, I'm going to go in with my Kopari Starry Eye Balm. I have really dry under eyes, and this is like my go-to. After that, I'm going to go in with my Glow Recipe Banana Moisture Cream, which feels amazing on the skin. Super soothing and hydrating, as you can see by me closing my eyes. And after that, I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. poreless putty primer. This primer has been my holy grail lately. It fills in the large pores, super smoothing, and it doesn't make you super dry. And this is my last step for under my eyes. Since I do have really dry under eyes, I'm going to take this E.L.F. Prep and Hydrate stick and make sure I really rub that under my eyes really well. My last prep step is going to be with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And now we're going to go into makeup. So today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation. It is a buildable foundation, super lightweight, like it feels like you have nothing on, and it'll give you a 24-hour wear. I am going to be mixing 2 shades. I will be listing the colors and shades that I use down in the description box, so if you're wondering, you can go ahead and check it out there. So with my Morphe brush, I am applying the foundation onto my skin. I did mix both shades on my hand. And in that Morphe brush, I actually don't use to blend, I just use it to apply. So this Real Techniques brush is what I use to blend, which I love. It's super affordable. You can find them at drugstores. And as you can see, I'm more of a full coverage girl, but this foundation is giving really good coverage. As long as you're using patting motions, you can build your coverage in your areas. If you are using more of a swiping motion, it may take away your coverage, which is a little tip if you didn't already know that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my TooFaced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and take my Beauty Elixir from Caudalie and go ahead and spray my sponge. This sponge was dry prior to me just doing those few little sprays. And I believe this sponge comes in a duo, so I don't think you can find it. I don't think Urban Decay sells it by itself. It comes in a duo, and I'll put that down below in the description box as well if you're interested in that. But I love the shape. It gets right under my eye perfectly. So now that my face is all highlighted, I'm going to actually be going in with another concealer, and this one is from LA Girl Pro, and this one is in the shade Fawn. This is like the perfect concealer shade for brown skinned girls. So if you're looking for an affordable concealer, I highly recommend this one. And yes, I do use 2 different concealers because I'm just that extra. Yes, honey, look at that highlight. I think concealer has to be one of my favorite things. If I showed you guys my concealer drawer or area where I keep all my concealer, you would be like, why does she have so many? I'm so obsessed with concealer. going to go ahead and take my Fenty Beauty match stick. This is like the perfect cream contour stick ever. Look how sculpted that looks. So now that I blended that all out, I'm just cleaning up underneath the contour and around it. I didn't add any extra product on my sponge, it's just what was left on there already. Now to set the concealer areas, I'm going to be using the Makeup Blur+Set setting powder. This is actually my first time using this, and I actually kind of liked it. I don't like that there's like this little mesh net in the like packaging, so it's kind of hard for me to get to the product because I like to pack it on, hence why I really prep under my eye before doing my makeup, because I love setting powder and I'm dry under my eye. But yeah, it was really hard to get to the product, but I might just end up cutting it open so I can really get in there with my sponge. After that, I'm gonna use my Sephora collection Micro Smooth Powder. This is the best foundation powder ever. It literally just makes your skin look like butter. It kind of has like a radiant finish. And to bronze today, I'm going to be using Morphe's Glamabronze. That is such a beautiful color. It like just warms up my whole face. I love that. For a while, it was really hard to find bronzers for brown skin. Like, finally, I have a few from Fenty as well. So Fenty and Morphe stepping up the game with the inclusivity. Yes. I'm also going to be taking the bronzer and like a fluffy blending brush and putting that a little bit on my crease of my eye, just to add a little bit more dimension and just warm up the face a little bit more. Next step is to highlight. I'm going to be using Maybelline's Master Chrome highlight. And before I do that, I like to spray my face with a little bit of setting spray, just because I feel like it kind of sticks better. Sometimes when I don't spray my face first, I get like that powdery look. I don't know if you've ever had that. Try spraying your face a little bit first and wait till it gets a little bit dry, and then go ahead and take your highlight and see how you like that better. Last step for my face, I'm going to go ahead and take my Ofra makeup setting spray, and we're going to move on to lips. I love a nude lip. I really don't wear color on my lips, so I'm going to be taking my all-time favorite MAC lipstick in the shade Verve. That is my jam. It's one of their satin collections, and like a brown lip liner. At first it was a little bit dark, so I did add a little bit of that concealer, the TooFaced concealer in the center, to lighten it up just a bit. And to top it off, I'm going to be using the Sephora collection Outrageous Plumping lip gloss. Oh my gosh, that is my favorite lip gloss. Look how bomb that looks. For lashes today, I'm going to be using ienvy's lashes. They're super affordable. You can find them in your local beauty supply. And bam, here's their finished look. Now, I know some of you are like, every day. This is an everyday look. For me, this is every day. I work at Sephora and I have to wear makeup every day. And sometimes I don't feel like doing a super glam look. So this is my go-to glam everyday look for me. Don't forget, you guys, I will be linking everything in the description. So if you want to know or forget what I use and you wanted to purchase something, I'll put that down there for you, okay? Please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how I did or if you want to see anything else. Thank you so much. Bye.